Hello everyone. In this video, we are making user settings, basic user settings with using Mendix from the scratch. This is the version that I used. Without waiting, I will start immediately. First of all, I will open the security as a production and clean password policy and make the administrator just mx and 1 and the security tabs open under my module. I will create also the admin and assign to the module roles and the application roles related like this. Just put admin and the user is user also. I want to use the demo users and I don't want the anonymous user. Okay, now it's fine. I will get account overview copy under my module and I need to adjust security again with errors as gone. Put the account overview under my home page and I will put some logout functionality to my left panel. Logout, yep, it's making sign out. Okay, it's a good start. What we're gonna do, we are using the account property with the profile picture entity. So I will create a profile picture entity with the generalization of the system image entity and associated with the administrator account with the set both. Each account object has one profile picture. So I will put some access rules on it. Admin can create and delete with the whole access. Also user can have these accesses. Okay, this will be my profile picture and I will create some user settings page on it. Okay, just save. First, I will create a microflow to get current account. As far as I create the microflow, I always put security roles on it. Both of them will require this security admin and user. What we're gonna do is just taking the account of the current user with the first one and the ID current user. This will get the current account, okay? And that's the returning. Entity access out of date, just click and under this module you need to update the security. Okay. So this could be used. So in addition, I will put some layout property to make my profile settings much better. Font, responsive layout, Atlas default, copy and paste. Change its name to my layout. Yep. This is my layout page. I will delete the feedback. And I'm sure that this home page is using my layout. Okay. You see, it's changing. So I need a user settings page. As I said, it's a pop-up user settings page. Just create this page. We will use this microflow on it to get the current account. I won't fill out. If I say yes, you see there is lots of attributes. I just want to put the full name on it to make my users change its profile full name. Okay, then we need to get the profile picture from here, so I need to create a microflow also. It's called get or create profile picture. Yeah, get or create profile picture. Yes, I put the rows on it. It will take as an input account. So while using this input, we will retrieve by association via the profile picture. If the profile picture is exists, we will return them. If it does not exist, we will create and return them. That's why the microflow name is like this: get or create profile picture empty. If it is empty, go this way. If it is not, go this way. So if it is not empty, I will return the profile picture, of course, with the retrieving one, like this. But if it is empty, I will create a profile picture with the current account input and return them. Okay, spare. Now it's time to use this microflow. Yes, please fill. Clear this one. Just image with the thumbnail, with the circle style. It's better. And also the upload image parts coming. Okay, it's good. Then for the settings page, I will create some functionality like change password. So I will look to the user management part to show my password form. Yes, it's this. I'm copying under my module. Yes. Change the module rows after copy. Yes, it's ready to use. Now I just put form here. Now it's ready. So the page is ready, but it's not used anywhere, you see. So what I'm gonna do is from the layout, I will create some profile features on it. Then if the user comes and clicks, he will see this user settings page. So in the layouts, we cannot use data containers like data view, list view. So we need to create some snippet on it. Where is the snippet? Yeah, snippet user. While using snippet, you can get whatever you want, like the data view or whatever. It's the workaround way. Yeah, yes, current account, as we did an earlier. Now I will show the name of the account with the full name. If user enters, logs in, he or she will see his name. and I will copy this one to here, and yeah, full name, and also one button to open user settings page. Just icon is necessary, and opening the user setting page. Okay, to make it better seeing on the layout at the right side, I will use a container and align content center, align as a row. Okay, and put all features on it, all elements on it. And to make it better, spacing with the margins, like this. Okay, I think it's ready. It's time to test. I will enter with an administrator role and create a user role, then enter with the user and see the user settings page. Okay, mx1, as I did in earlier, account overview, create a user like Kate, and user 11 passwords. Then log out and log in with the Kate and password. Okay, she is not seeing this, so I will make okay, yeah. Layout is empty, just put the snippet here and rerun again. No need to browse functionality, just profile picture with the thumbnail. Yes, rerun please. Yeah, Kate is written, but it's in not seen, so make it color is white and rerun again. Yeah, Kate is seen without the profile picture. Just update the picture. Yeah, just change name KT111 for example. Yes, that's work. That's fine. Like this, blah blah blah. Yes, it seems now. Thank you for all. See you in the next video.